What's up, YouTube? This is Tom from TLT Crypto Post. Actually, we are in Frankfurt and we are doing today a very important Bitcoin update because actually we need to look what is Bitcoin doing. You see the US market data were coming, and then we got here very big sellout with Bitcoin. We got the breakdown to the 18,200 US dollars roundabout, and then now we got the very good pushback, and now it looks like we are stabilizing with Bitcoin around about the 18,500, 18,600 US dollars. But actually the market is very critical, so we need to look what is Bitcoin doing in the daily candle close and what is Bitcoin doing in the weekly candle close, because actually there's a very bearish moment with Bitcoin, and so we can go lower with Bitcoin. And you see we have gotten at this 70,600 US dollars a lot of liquidity, and actually it's possible that we can go lower with Bitcoin because the next target is found about at the 13,000 US dollars. So it's very possible that we can go down with Bitcoin, and after the 13,000 US dollars, it's possible that we can go down to the 8,000 US dollars. And I have said in a video 2 or 3 days before that it's actually very bearish. We are in a very bearish moment with Bitcoin, and when we're looking here, you see with Ethereum has done the same. We got here very big break with Ethereum. We have broken here our dynamic support ranges, and we got a new low at the 1,150 US dollars. Okay, this is very huge. Now we got a lot of liquidity there, and then a very big long trade and long impulse, and a big push back to the 1,200 actually 20 US dollars. But we need to look, where is Bitcoin going? So back to Bitcoin, when we're looking here, I have showed you we have broken this support range now. This support range here is now broken with Bitcoin. When you see it here, this support range with Bitcoin is now broken, and when you see it here, you see we have got here lots of liquidity in this range, and I have told you lots of videos, there is a very positive, or there's a very big range where we can go all in with Bitcoin, and we will got here lots of liquidity when we are breaking down the 18,500 US dollars. We got here the liquidity. Now it's looking, Bitcoin is here stabilizing at the 18,500 US dollars. But when we are not stabilizing with Bitcoin here, it's possible that we can go lower with Bitcoin, and then we need to look, are we getting here the liquidity, or is this liquidity enough? So we got a next pushback to the 19,200 US dollars back. These are now our very important support ranges. Actually, the market is looking very good in our opinion. And yes, our predicted short trade, I've told you, was a good short trade. So you have got a lot of liquidity and you have earned lots of money. But for us, we need to look, what is Bitcoin doing in the next hours, and what is Bitcoin doing with the 1 day candle close? Because when we're looking at the 1 day candle close, you see we have broken down here a lot of support and resistance, and we have lost here the supports and resistance and running back. So we need to look, where is Bitcoin going and what is Bitcoin doing? So this is my opinion. So this is not a financial advice or something else. This is my opinion, this is my tip. And when we're looking at the 1 week candle close, you see we are with the 1 week candle close now very bearish. So we have now tested here new lows, and yes, this is not so good for the crypto market. So actually we need to look, what can we do with Bitcoin in the next hours. So don't worry, my friends, everything looks good, but we need to look, what is Bitcoin doing in the next hours. So don't forget our Telegram group and everything. But this was a quick update from us for you for Bitcoin. Don't forget, like, subscribe, comment, and we see us in the next video tomorrow. Stay safe. Tom from TT Crypto Pros.